Okay, this has been making its rounds around Facebook and on the internet, and it seems to have a tough answer to it. So let me see if I can overthink this thing a bit. Let's take that first equation. I'm going to let each sneaker, instead of being calling it a sneaker, I'm going to call it A. So what we would have then is AA plus AA plus AA equals 30. Now AA is just A squared, right? So I got 3 of these, so it'll be equal to 3 times A squared is equal to 30. Divide both sides by 3, I get A squared is equal to 10. And therefore, A is equal to the square root of 10. Okay, good. Now let's take the second equation. Well, I got 2 sneakers, so there's my A squared. I'm going to call this guy B, by the way. So I got B plus B plus A squared is equal to 20. Well, I know that A squared is equal to 10, so I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. Combine the b's, so I got 2b is equal to 10. Therefore, b is equal to half of 10, or 5. Good. Now let's do this one down here. I'm going to call these little straps C. So I got CC plus CC plus B is equal to 13. Okay. So I know that B is equal to 5, so I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. I know CC is C squared, so I end up with 2C squared is equal to, I'm just going to subtract 5, 8. Divide both sides by 2, and I get C squared is equal to 4. Therefore, C is equal to 2. Okay, now let's do this bottom one, right? We got a shoe plus this man, but look, he's holding 2 straps, right? Here, I blew up a picture of it on this other sheet. Those 2 straps there. And we got another strap multiplied by another strap. What's this equal to? Well, let's put our variables in terms of what we called it. So we got A, right? Plus, and I'm going to put in quantisize. Well, the strap we called C, the man was B, and he's got another strap. So that's our middle term. We're going to multiply that whole thing by another C. And the question is, what does that equal? Right? Well, let's plug in our values. I'm going to let Excel do this. So I'm going to start out square root. There's my formula right there. 10. And then I'm going to add to it. Right? Again, this is order of operations. I've got 2 times 5 times another 2. Then I got multiplied by another 2. Right? Everybody see that? So what do you think we get? 43. Let me put this over here. Go up home. So the answer is 43.162277766. That's the answer I'm going to submit. Okay, another thing that you might see is this guy might be wearing shoes. He has some socks here. So his answer might be a little bit different. If that's the case, we can go with A plus, and then I'm going to put the parentheses in again. So we still have our strap plus a shoe, which is A, plus a man, which is B, plus another shoe, which is A, plus another strap. Close this thing off, and it's still times C. So what's that equal to? So if I come back in here again, I'm going to let Excel take care of this. So we got square root 10 plus, plus the quantity 2 times square root of 10. So I'm going to combine these two and just put 10. That's a times a times, again, we got another c over here too, times the b, which is 5. And I'm just going to multiply that all again by the 2. Oops. The 2. Let's see what Excel gives us. In that case, it's 403.116 or 0.1622. Let me put that back over there. And that's it. That's what we got. It's either one of these two answers. Actually, the more I look at it, the more I think he's got shoes on. I'm going to go with 403.